Hey besties, welcome back or welcome to Extremely Modest. So in today's video, I wanted to give you some quick cleaning motivation to get you in the mood to clean wherever you may see fit in your own home. So if you could use an extra boost to clean, just keep on watching. I started off in my bedroom. I just sprayed this Febreze fabric spray to my pillows just to give them a fresh smell. And then next I'll just be placing on some clean bedding. I like to wash my bedding at least once a week for my sheets, and since I have the duvet without the insert, I'll wash that at least every other week. And for my thicker comforters, if I do have those on, they'll get washed at least once a month, all depending on how much I use them.
I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky, oh no, like I'm sudden but unsteady.
My nightstands attract so much dust and fingerprints, it's a must clean at least twice a week. And my rose bouquet from Rose Forever is still just as gorgeous. I'll have a coupon code in the description box for anyone interested in getting some. When y'all vacuum, do you put vacuum lines in your carpet? I want to, but for some reason, mainly because I rush vacuum, I can never get those really good vacuum lines. It sucks because I love when I see fresh, straight vacuum lines in the carpet. I feel like it says the whole house is just clean.
But I can't help to fall for you repeatedly.
Next, I moved on to all of my bathrooms and I just gave them a really good wipe down. If you have really nice strong smelling candles like these from Bath and Body Works, instead of burning them, I like to just keep them open and use them as air fresheners because they smell so good. Moving right along in Callie's room, I just straightened up in here. I was doing some laundry, so I like to put away the clothes immediately after getting them out of the dryer. I like to go by the motto of like, do it now so you can relax later. For me, it's almost impossible to fully relax knowing I have other chores that need to be done. Last but not least is my living room. The night before, we chilled in here and watched Without Remorse. It was pretty good. Let me know if y'all got a chance to check it out yet. I'm also looking for some other good movies or TV shows, so leave me some comments down below of some good movies or TV shows you think I should check out. Alright y'all, so this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it, but most importantly, I hope that you guys have found some motivation to go ahead and clean in your home as you may see fit. My name is Lavion with Extremely Modest, and I do enjoy posting cleaning motivation, home decor, and organization videos. If that type of content keeps your interest, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Give this video a happy thumbs up and also leave me a comment down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.